What is up, guys? So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to access external JavaScript files from your own HTML file. So to start off, we're going to create a web page folder. Just name this whatever you want. It's just going to hold the code and the assets. So I'm going to use 2 images I already have on my computer. You can use whatever, just as long as they're images. You can even use an external source from a link. Let's see, pictures, where is it? Alright. So let's move this, and let's just move 2 images over. Alright, so now first of all, make sure you're in view, your file name extensions is checked so that you can see these, and then create 2 new files. It doesn't really matter what you start with as long as you have the correct ending. So I'm going to name this web, and another one, my.js, and then just make this a JavaScript file or a JS file. Make sure this one's HTML so you can access it on your default web browser. So I'm going to open these up in Visual Studio. You can use your Windows default or whatever editing software you want to use. Alright, let's open up actually both of them. Okay. Now I got both of them. So I have the default HTML set up, copied on my clipboard. So just take a minute, pause the video, and copy this. Okay. So I'm just going to title this My Web Page. Alright, to start off, we're just going to create an image tag, set the source to our images. I'm going to change this later on. So ID, you need an ID or a class or some kind of a selector, and then let's just set the width to 150. Alright, so if we open this up in your default web browser, mine's Google Chrome, you've got an image. You should have an image. Now we're just going to go into the JavaScript and access this. So we got the ID custom, so I'm going to do document dot, if I can spell document, element by ID, and then custom, and then just do the source of that element equals, and then whatever you want. So transformers dot png is the name of my image that I'm changing this to, and you need to plug it into the body because there's a bug I ran into. I don't know if it's a bug, but it changes it. So if you put it in like outside of the body, you can't access anything in the body. And you can, I don't know if you can access the stuff in the head, but I haven't really tried that. But I know you have to plug it into the body if you want it to work. So that's just a nice safe way. So just create a script tag and set the source of that script to the name of your file. So myjs.js. And then if this was like in a file somewhere, like JavaScript, and I just put this in here. Okay, why is it? There we go. Then I would just type in JavaScript and then do the backslashes. So actually this I'm going to have to close so that I can access it again because Visual Studio is kind of annoying like that. Alright, and that should work. So let's go on to web, and you see now we have a changed image. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you learned something. See you later.